Sugar may bring a momentary burst of sweetness to your taste buds, but it's a weighty burden on your health, packing in high-calorie counts with very little in the way of nutritious value. Today, we're talking about 4 of the best sugar substitutes out there. In fact, why is cutting down on sugar one of the best decisions we can make for our health? Because excessive sugar consumption can lead to weight gain, increased risk of tooth decay, and a higher risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and some forms of cancer. Additionally, sugar can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and decreased focus. It is recommended to limit sugar intake and opt for healthier, more nutrient-dense sources of carbohydrates. Fortunately, today there is access to equally sweet sugar substitutes. If you're looking to reduce your sugar intake or avoid it altogether, you've come to the right place. We made a research about best sweeteners available on the market, and here are they. First, Stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener made from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. It's 0 calorie, has a 0 on glycemic index, and is up to 200 times sweeter than sugar. Stevia, unlike sweeteners such as aspartame or sucralose, is a natural substance present in nature, which makes it safe to use compared to synthetic sweeteners, whose long-term effects are not exactly known. However, some people find the taste of stevia to be bitter or metallic, so it may not be for everyone or it may not work with every recipe. Second sweetener, erythritol. Erythritol is a sugar alcohol that's 60 to 70% as sweet as sugar and has only 24 calories and 0 glycemic index, which means it does not have an impact on blood sugar levels. It's found naturally in some fruits, but is often commercially produced from corn. Erythritol does not contribute to tooth decay, making it a popular choice for people looking to reduce their sugar intake or avoid it altogether. Additionally, erythritol is well tolerated by most people and does not have the bitter aftertaste that some other sugar substitutes can have. If you don't like stevia, try erythritol. In exchange for a few calories, you will get a taste that will make you forget about sugar. Third, xylitol. Xylitol is another sugar alcohol that's about as sweet as sugar, with 40% fewer calories. Xylitol has a glycemic index of 7, which is relatively low compared to sugar, which has a glycemic index of 65 but relatively high compared to other sweeteners presented here. Low glycemic index means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making it a popular choice for people with diabetes or those looking to reduce their sugar intake. Xylitol is also beneficial for oral health as it is not fermented by the bacteria that cause tooth decay, making it a good alternative to sugar for people looking to improve their oral health. However, it's important to note that xylitol can cause digestive discomfort and bloating in some people if consumed in large quantities, and it can also be toxic to dogs. So, it's important to consume xylitol in moderation and to keep it away from pets. To sum up, xylitol is the least recommended natural sweetener on our list because it contains as much as 240 kilocalories in 100 grams. However, its definitely strong point is the practically indistinguishable taste from sugar. Last sweetener on our list, monk fruit extract. Monk fruit extract is made from a type of melon that's native to Asia and is 150 to 200 times sweeter than sugar. It has 0 calories and doesn't affect blood sugar levels. Additionally, monk fruit extract is heat stable and does not lose its sweetness when cooked, making it suitable for a variety of culinary uses. What about the taste? Some people describe the taste of monk fruit extract as having a slightly sweet and fruity flavor, while others say it has a neutral taste. The overall taste experience of monk fruit extract is generally considered to be a good sugar substitute because it provides the sweetness without affecting the taste of the food or drink it is added to. Ultimately, the best way to determine which sweetener is best for you is to try all of them and see which one you prefer. Keep in mind that taste preferences can vary based on the type of food or drink the sweetener is added to, so it's a good idea to experiment to find the one that works best for you. So there you have it, the 4 best sweeteners to replace sugar. All of the sweeteners are natural and safe to use, also for diabetics because of the low glycemic index. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Let us know in the comments below which sweetener are you using the most. Be sure to watch our next video about the dangers which sugar can cause to your kidneys. Allow this video to ignite a passion within you to swap sugar for wholesome, sweet alternatives that leave you feeling better and healthier. The link to the film is here on the right side. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe so we can deliver you more videos like this one. See you in the next one.